Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today's lesson is all about how to start your day right with a productive morning routine.
That's right. We'll help you learn English naturally through real conversations about what people do in the morning, like getting up, eating breakfast, and preparing for the day.
And we'll also teach you useful English words and phrases that you can use every morning.
So grab your coffee or tea and let's begin.
Section 1. Talking about morning routines. Let's start with a simple question. What's your morning routine?
That's a great question. Everyone has a different morning routine. For example, Emily, what do you do in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30. Then I stretch, drink a glass of water, and make my breakfast. After that, I take a shower and get ready for work.
Nice. That sounds healthy and productive. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is check my phone. Maybe that's not a good habit? Laughs.
Laughs. Yeah, many people do that, but maybe it's better to start the day with something calm, like meditation or exercise.
Mini Dialogue 1. Hey Emily, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. How about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock, but I wish I could wake up earlier.
You can try going to bed earlier. A good night's sleep helps you feel fresh in the morning.
That's true. I'll try that tonight. Vocabulary and phrases, Part 1. Here are some useful words and phrases about morning routines. 1. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 6:30 every day. She wakes up early to go running. 2. Get up. To leave your bed. I wake up at 6:30, but get up at 6:45. He doesn't get up until 9 on weekends. 3. Stretch. To move your body to feel relaxed after sleeping. I always stretch before breakfast. Stretching helps me feel awake. 4. Make your bed. To arrange your blanket and pillows neatly. I make my bed right after getting up. It makes my room look tidy. 5. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth twice a day. 6. Take a shower. I take a shower to feel fresh in the morning. 7. Have breakfast. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. Having breakfast gives me energy. 8. Get ready. I get ready for work at 8 o'clock. She's getting ready for school. 9. Leave for work/school. I leave for work at 8:30. 10. Commute. To travel to your workplace or school. I commute by bus every day.
2. A busy morning. Oh no. I woke up late today.
What time is it?
It's already 8:15. I have a meeting at 9.
Quick! Get up, take a shower, and have something to eat.
I don't have time for breakfast.
You can grab a banana or drink some coffee.
Good idea. Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome. But remember, go to bed early tonight.
Vocabulary and phrases, Part 2. 11. Oversleep. To sleep longer than you planned. I overslept and missed my bus. Don't oversleep on work days. 12. Grab a bite. To eat something quickly. I grab a bite before work. Let's grab a bite together. 13. In a rush. To be in a hurry. I was in a rush this morning. She left the house in a rush. 14. Run late. To be behind schedule. I'm running late for my class. Don't run late for your interview. 15. Stay positive. To keep a happy attitude. Even when you're tired, stay positive. Emily always stays positive in the morning. 3. Paul's lazy morning. Narrator, Emily. Last Sunday, Paul wanted to wake up early to go jogging. But guess what? He didn't.
That's true. I woke up at 9:30. I stayed in bed, scrolling on my phone.
Then what happened?
I felt bad because I wasted time. So I decided to change my morning routine.
Good job. What did you do?
Now, I wake up at 7, make my bed, and go for a 10-minute walk. It helps me think clearly.
That's great. A small change can make a big difference.
Extra practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us and answer in your own way.
Question 1. What time do you wake up? Pause for viewers to answer.
Question 2. What do you eat for breakfast? Pause.
Question 3. How do you feel in the morning? Sleepy or energetic? Pause.
Good job. Keep practicing every day. When you talk about your morning routine, your English will improve naturally.
Vocabulary review game. Okay, let's play a quick review game. I'll say a sentence with a blank and you guess the missing word.
Ready? Let's go. 1. I always brush my teeth before breakfast. Viewers say, brush, brush. 2. When I wake up late, I feel she. Viewers say, rushed. Rushed or in a hurry. 3. I like to start a cup of coffee in the morning. Viewers say, have or drink. That's right. 4. Don't forget to make your bed. Viewers say, make. Perfect. Let's review what we learned today.
We practiced how to talk about your morning routine in English. Things like waking up, getting ready, and starting the day.
We also learned 15 useful words and phrases like wake up, make your bed, grab a bite, and stay positive.
And we did fun mini role plays to help you speak naturally and fluently.
Remember, a productive morning helps you have a successful day. And practicing English in the morning is a great habit.
Thanks for watching today's lesson. Start your day right.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. English Learning for more real English conversations.
And don't forget to comment below. tell us, what do you do in the morning?
See you next time, and remember, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Sun emoji speech bubble.